Error code 6002 in Marvel Rivals indicates that your game client needs an update to match the server version. This is a mandatory update required to ensure fair play and security. It prevents you from accessing the game until resolved. Essentially, the game detects a mismatch between your installed version and the one required by the servers. Error code 6002 in Marvel Rivals typically occurs due to several interconnected factors related to game file integrity and server synchronization. One common cause is incomplete downloads. When the game updates, large files may not fully transfer due to network interruptions or insufficient bandwidth, leaving the game in an inconsistent state that triggers the error. Corrupted game files are another major culprit. Damage from hardware failures, interrupted installations, or malware can alter file data, preventing the game from verifying its own integrity and leading to the 6002 error. Regional server issues can also contribute. Players in areas with high latency or server overload may experience synchronization problems between their local client and the game's servers, triggering the error during verification checks. At its core, the game employs version control technology. The launcher compares your local game file's integrity hash against a remote database on the servers. Any mismatch, whether from incomplete updates or corruption, blocks access and prompts the 6002 error. This error also serves to enforce digital rights management and anti-cheat protections. By ensuring all players run the latest verified build, it maintains fair gameplay and prevents unauthorized modifications that could compromise the game's security and competitive integrity. Finally, the nature of live service games like Marvel Rivals contributes significantly. Weekly patches delivering new content, balance changes, and bug fixes create opportunities for version mismatches, especially during major updates when millions of players update simultaneously. Before trying more complex solutions, restart the Marvel Rivals launcher and your computer. This simple step can resolve temporary issues that cause error 6002. If restarting doesn't work, use Steam or Epic Games Store to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for and replaces any corrupted files that might be causing the version mismatch. This straightforward approach solves error 6002 for the majority of players encountering the issue. If basic verification doesn't resolve error code 6002, the next step is to clear the game's cache. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted, outdated, or causing version mismatches between your local files and the server. Before proceeding with more invasive fixes, always back up your important game data. This includes save files, settings, and any custom configurations you might have to avoid losing progress or preferences during the process. As a final solution, uninstall Marvel Rivals completely from your system. Then, download and reinstall the game from your platform like Steam or Epic Games Store. This ensures you have a clean, up-to-date installation, free from any persistent errors or corrupted files. After reinstalling, run a file verification through your gaming platform to confirm all game files are intact and match the server's requirements. This step helps prevent error code 6002 from recurring due to incomplete installations. These advanced steps should resolve persistent error code 6002 issues. Remember to keep your game updated and maintain a stable internet connection to minimize future occurrences. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading updates in Marvel Rivals. Without it, updates can be interrupted, leading to error code 6002. Make sure your internet speed is at least 10 Mbps to handle game updates smoothly. For the most stable connection, use a wired Ethernet connection rather than Wi-Fi, which can be prone to interference. If you're experiencing routing issues to NetEase servers, consider switching to a different internet service provider. Some players have found temporary workarounds for error code 6002, but these methods come with significant risks that you should understand before attempting them. One common workaround is using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions that might cause error 6002. While some users have reported temporary success with this method, it comes with serious risks, including potential account bans for violating the game's terms of service. Another advanced workaround involves editing the game's configuration files to address version control issues. However, Making incorrect modifications can corrupt your game installation and cause even more problems. Regardless of the method you choose, always back up your game files before making any changes. Remember that these workarounds are temporary solutions at best and may not resolve the underlying issues causing error 6002. Proceed with extreme caution to avoid damaging your installation or risking your account. To prevent future occurrences of error 6002, regularly update Marvel Rivals when new patches are released. This keeps your game client current and prevents version mismatches. Ensure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free storage space for updates. This prevents update failures due to insufficient space. Maintain a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps speed. This reduces download interruptions and connection timeouts. Monitor official support forums and Reddit communities like r/Marvel Rivals for updates. This helps you stay informed about known issues and fixes from the community. The gaming industry is evolving with cloud-based platforms that minimize local storage problems and enable seamless updates across devices. These systems distribute game files and processing power through remote servers, reducing the likelihood of version mismatches by handling updates server-side. AI-driven auto updates represent the next frontier in error prevention. Machine learning algorithms analyze player data and system logs to predict potential issues before they occur, automatically deploying fixes and optimizations. This proactive approach could cut error rates up to 50% in the coming years. NetEase has announced plans to integrate AI auto updates into Marvel Rivals by 2027. This implementation will use predictive analytics to preempt version conflicts, ensuring players can jump into games without interruption. The system will learn from global player patterns to optimize update timing and delivery. While these advancements bring exciting possibilities, challenges remain. Increasing hardware requirements demand more powerful devices, and expanding server networks to global regions introduces new complexity in maintaining consistent update delivery. Despite these hurdles, the future outlook is promising. Cloud gaming and AI technologies will deliver smoother, more reliable experiences, transforming how players interact with live service games and minimizing frustrating interruptions like error code 6 in 2.